Hi class, it's Mr. Anderson here. We're going to do some demos. I'm up at school because I want to do a demo that I just cannot do at home because of the equipment limitations. But right here in my classroom we have the gas jets. These are the same gas jets that we would use if we were at school. Natural gas or methane comes out of these gas jets and we use them for Bunsen burners. But right here I have a hose connected to the gas jet, and while the hose is going into this plastic bottle that has some soap water in it. So I'm going to put down the camera here and I'm going to go and turn on the gas. So I turn on the gas and the methane gas is flowing. It's flowing through the hose and into the soap water, and the soap water now has all this methane gas inside of it. So as the methane gas fills up these soap bubbles, I want you to take a look at it, and I want you to make a list of all of the physical properties of methane that you can possibly come up with. Well, some of the physical properties of methane, it is clear, because you can't, in fact, all gases are clear. It's also colorless. There's no color in it. Some gases are colored. But an interesting property is normally soap bubbles spill over. These soap bubbles are rising up because it shows us that methane is less dense than the surrounding air. In fact, if I do a little karate chop, you can see that the gas bubbles kind of float up to the ceiling because methane is less dense than the surrounding air. If I start to pop some of these bubbles and let some of the methane gas come out, I can definitely smell it. It has like a rotten egg smell. They intentionally add a bad smell to methane just so that if it's like leaking, you could detect it, because technically methane itself doesn't have an odor. So there's like a safety ingredient that they put in here just so you can smell a gas leak. But now I would like to show you one of the chemical properties of methane. And in order to do that, I'm going to need this glove. I'm going to put on some safety goggles. We're going to take this lighter. Methane gas is very flammable stuff. Let's go ahead and do it again. I've been doing that for over 20 years and it does not get old.